Okay, hello. Hello. Now we will see the section of team. ¿Por qué cojones no sale? Hello. Now we will see the section of projects. This is a very important section because it's basically the unity we use to divide the work. Okay. To go to projects, we go here, we click projects. You can call it project, you can call it task, you can call it whatever you want, but it's basically what the worker will see on his Worktocloud Desktop or Worktocloud Staff program, and will be able to change time, so to assign time. He will be able to assign time to the project, client, task, or however you want to call it. When you get in the first time here, you will see already one project with your name, the name of the person that registered, okay? And because automatically by default we get that name, and we create one and we assign the workers to with this project. Basically because many people don't really use this, they don't find it, they don't really need it, and they don't use it, and they assign all the time to a single project, which is normally the name of the company or the boss. But I will create the first project now, okay? And it's very clear, no? What you have to do, you have to click here on Add Project. You give it a name, project number 1. You assign the team members. Oh, I don't have team members created yet. Okay, this video will finish here, and in the next video I will create project, because before, in order to assign, you need to assign team members, but I still did not create any team members. So before this, I have to go to team, which is what I will do. Okay, so I go to team, I follow the videos there, and I create a team, and then we go to the second video of projects. Okay, see you there. Bye bye.